po ng bawat fandoms namin. Na tinulungan po niya ako, like, maabot yung mga pinagpipray ko lang noon.
Of course, there are always factors, no, that lead us to where we become better, no? Hindi ko rin ipupush, pero what are these factors? Kasama kaya din si Ashtin, na siya sa lahat-lahat ng artista na babae, siya naging leading lady. So what are the factors, and where does Ashtin fall in those factors that have made you become what you are now?
Yes, like I said a while ago, I'm really eager to learn, really, because I'm very new to this industry, and yes, there is that pressure given to me and my sister, but at the end of the day, I'm really just eager to learn. And the way I see it is every day I come to a set or have a working day, I kind of view it as I'm getting 1% better or 1% more comfortable with my surroundings and everything. Definitely, I would say from a year ago, it's been a big jump, it's been a big difference, and I've learned so much, but that's because I'm very active always to try to learn new things in the industry. Like, kahit noon pa naman, hindi naman ako singer, tapos bigla I had to sing and I had to learn, and you know, it's all just a learning process, and I'm enjoying it because I really love this job, you know, and I really admire my craft and all. And where Ashtin comes in the picture naman is, she's definitely a big factor in my journey as well, because she allows me to be more comfortable at times. You know, there were times where I'd do certain events or something solo, but I know in some cases when I'm with Ash, I feel a lot more relaxed. So she definitely has a factor there. And of course, she directed in the few amount of days that we've been shooting the film. You know, I've been very proactive as to trying to learn, really, not only just the acting process, but direct even behind the cam, with even the shots and everything. And even with our DOP in the film, I've often asked him questions about the angles and the lighting and the shots, because I'm just really trying to be a sponge and soak up like all the knowledge.
Thank you, and we've always appreciated how humble you have been, and I think that's also a big factor, no, in
yes, thank you so
where
much.
you are now.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
With Ash, ang question ko is a little bit similar also, kasi kaming lahat nakita namin kanina rin how you've grown as an actress, and you know, I mean, since there's so many flowers around us, you truly have bloomed. No, as women, we always bloom to become our best throughout the journey of whatever careers or lives we've had. No, and ever since, your talent has been there, singing, dancing, and acting. Pero talagang ngayon, we look at you, you have bloomed. Tell us about that journey, and again, similarly, how has Andres helped you in that journey to becoming this, you know, more confident, and you know, more ano bang word, sophisticated lady now in front of us?
So, yung journey ko po, from the start, hindi talaga madali. Maraming times na parang kine-question ko na kung may mangyayari ba, kung tama ba yung pinapursue ko. Kasi, mahaba talaga yung waiting time eh. Pero nung dumating si Andres, alam niyo po yun, parang wala talaga ako ina-expect na kahit ano. Pero dahil sa kanya, dahil sa suporta po ng keepers, ng lahat ng mga suporta po ng bawat fandoms namin, na tinulungan po niya ako, like, maabot yung mga pinagpipray ko lang noon. And sobrang laking bagay din talaga na kapag yung on-screen partner mo yung pinagkakatiwalaan mo po talaga, alam mong masasandalan mo siya kapag kailangan mo ng tulong or kapag pagod ka na.
That's nice to hear. And I think you also deserve congratulations, no? Kasi kahit pa paano, you were still, you know, bago pa rin lang, you know, when this all happened, and to be paired with a mula from the start, and to, you know, take on that challenge, di ba, mahirap din, and you've done it so well, so congratulations.
Thank you po.
And lastly, direct, kunin ko na kasi yung napakagandang tanong po ni Bobby Recantina of the Manila Bulletin. kasi, yung pong off-screen chemistry, medyo nadaanan nyo lang ho kasi yung particularly the off-screen chemistry. I'm sure everyone here would like to know what are these two like during, beyond the takes. Pagka may break sila, paano mo nakita yung chemistry? Ano yung mga eksena na nagpakita sa'yo, real life scenes between these two that showed you that chemistry? Paano mo sila?
Like for example, pag nagtidirect ako, tapos nag-aantay lang sila, andyan na sila sa likod ko, nagdadagdagan. Parang they're so comfortable with each other. Alam mo yan, yung parang it's a kind of, kumbaga very pure. Wow, very pure yung chemistry nila kasi parang they're not hiding it because there's nothing wrong. Alam mo yun? So, ayun, sa mga little things na gano'n, nagkukulitan sila sa likod ko, nagtutulungan sila sa lines nila. So, talagang, ano ba yun, talagang team sila. Team sila, kaya trabaho man or friendship. May times na pack up na si Andres, tapos nabigla ko, nandito ko pa Andres, sinaantay kasi niya si Asha. Mga gano'n ba? Mga gano'n. So, di ba? Kapag gano'n na sila ka-komportable behind the scenes, how hard can it be na dalhin yun on screen?
True, we agree. And if anything po, si Bobby, dito, we've been brought back to our 16-year-old selves. So, salamat kasi kilig na kilig silang lahat. Ay, si Bobby. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing the film.
Thank you.
Thank you.